My name is Shane Stender, and I'm the managing partner at Silverback Advertising. I'm an IMC graduate from 2012. I started the IMC program in 2010, and I graduated from the IMC program in 2012. During that course of time and the classes that I took, it really opened me up to wanting to be a lot more entrepreneurial and get involved in a much more boutique business than I was in at the time. And so after my graduation, I moved forward with becoming a partner in a boutique advertising agency. And it's really been a great career move the last 7 years. I've really enjoyed being able to grow a company that I'm a small owner of and a big part in everything that goes on in that organization. So this is going to be my third season being a mentor, and I've had a great experience with the previous 2 seasons and was really excited to come back and have the opportunity to be a mentor again. I really like being a mentor in the program because I've been through the classes and I've been through a lot of the same courses that these students are going through, and I'm in the workforce and I have an opportunity to pay it forward with my knowledge of networking and my experiences, and hopefully I get the opportunity in the program to relay that to the students, that a lot of them are already in businesses and in the workforce themselves, but maybe looking to transition in careers or just looking to grow within their existing organizations. And the mentorship program gives me an opportunity to be a little bit of a guidance for them with information, with specifics about the industry, as well as opening up networking for them to meet and grow their network so they have opportunities to expand their careers. So I chose to do the program, and really when I saw it online for the first time, I thought this is a great way to give back to a community that I really felt a part of. I did my undergrad studies here at West Virginia University, and then I had the pleasure of joining the IMC program here at West Virginia University, and I really felt like it was an opportunity for me to give back in a productive way to students that are going through what I went through and help them move forward in their careers. And it's really been a great experience from the faculty and the staff, the way that they've organized it to really match mentors and mentees with similar life interests, with similar work backgrounds, so that we can really help focus on what can help this person who's going through the program and be that extra resource that West Virginia University really provides beyond just the learning that goes on in the classroom. One of the things about the program that I've really found interesting that I didn't really think about when I went in and my first time doing it was what I would get out of the program and the benefits that I would get from learning from these individuals who are oftentimes of different backgrounds than myself. They have different career paths than I've had. They're currently going through classes that may be a little different than ones that I had. And I'm always picking up some little piece of information that I then try to turn around and incorporate in and think about in how I'm hiring employees at my company, or the roles and responsibilities that I'm giving to my employees. And so the things that I'm learning from them, I'm taking back and applying those to my own business to help be successful in what I'm doing, and what these people are doing is providing me as much value as hopefully I'm providing to them.